Students' placement in the writing and listening tests depend on the performance in the listening and reading session. The administration of the writing test must be grouped with the same grade cluster and tier. Remember, the students' cluster and tier will depend on how well the students perform in the listening and the reading sessions. The time recommended to complete the writing domain is up to 65 minutes, but students can take more time as long as they are actively engaged during the test session. Please note that students in grades 1 through 3 take the paper and pencil writing session only. The other sessions are completely computer delivered. If a scoring booklet does not have a pre-ID label, apply a label and complete the student's demographic information. The test delivery is completely online for students in 4th to 12th grade. Make sure you have all the materials needed for every student in your roster. In some cases, you will have students that will take the writing session with paper and pencil, so make sure you have the testing booklets ready for the students with the students' credentials. In case you have groups of students with different grade cluster and tier taking the writing session, it is recommended to separate the groups in different sections in the room simply because the time difference is significant for every grade cluster and tier. Please be aware that after 30 minutes of no key or mouse activity, the Insights test system will automatically end the session. During the writing session, students are prompted to raise their hand after completing a part. Monitor the students at all times and make sure the students are actively engaged. Remember to collect the student's testing ticket after the completion of each session. Open the writing test script and follow along as I read. Now we're going to practice the writing test. Writing grades 4 to 12, test administrator script. Now you're going to take the writing test. Some questions might be easy for you and others may be hard. It is important that you do the best you can. Everyone should have headphones. I will tell you when to put this on. Does everyone have computer headphones? Now I will pass out your test materials. Everyone will get a test ticket, a pencil, and a blank scratch paper. If you're writing on paper, you will get a test booklet. Keep your test booklet closed until I tell you to open it. Does everyone have a test ticket, a pencil, and a blank scratch paper? If you have a test booklet, you should see your name on the front. Does everyone see their name? Now look at the screen. Click on the words Test Sign In. Now look at your test ticket. Find the username and password. Use the keyboard to type your username in the first white box. Type your password in the second white box. When you are finished, click on the Sign In button. Now you should all see your name at the top of the screen. Does everyone see their name? Okay, now click on the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. Then click Writing. When you click on the Begin the Test button, you will listen to the directions about how to take the test, and then you will practice on your own. Then you will start the writing test. When you see the stop sign, stop and raise your hand. I will check your work. If you're writing on paper, please open your test booklet to page 3 now. It says Writing Practice at the top of the page. Everyone have questions before we begin? Now put on your headphones. Please raise your hand if you need help hearing the directions. Now click on the Begin the Test button.